RouteStar seamlessly ties into QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. So we work with QuickBooks Pro, Premier, Enterprise, and QuickBooks Online. If you're running QuickBooks Desktop, whether it's Enterprise or Pro or Premier, we use QuickBooks Web Connector in order to sync with QuickBooks. QuickBooks Web Connector runs on a timer, typically every 30 minutes. But you can force a sync anytime you want with QuickBooks. For the status of QuickBooks syncing, click on the QB icon in the upper right-hand corner of the toolbar. This will show you the last time it syncs. So you'll know if it syncs at 1:11 p.m., it's going to sync 30 minutes from now. And you can customize the sync times. When you click QuickBooks Dashboard, this is where you can control what happens with the sync with QuickBooks. And this holds true for both Desktop and QuickBooks Online. You have a QuickBooks sync queue. This shows you everything pending to go to QuickBooks. If there are any errors, they will appear down here in the lower right-hand corner. Under Settings, you can control how we integrate with QuickBooks. Do you want to sync QuickBooks customers, create customers in QuickBooks, so on and so forth. We also can control what transactions sync between QuickBooks and RouteStar and QuickBooks. You can set your default chart of accounts settings. So maybe you want deposits to go to undeposited funds, and you might have multiple AR accounts, and you can select which one it goes to, as well as what template to use when you post invoices over. Dealing with items, you can control what items and item types sync with QuickBooks. So you may not want fixed assets, as an example, to sync from QuickBooks to RouteStar. You can control that type of item. You can also select whether or not you want inactive customers to sync with RouteStar or not. Under Invoices, I can go to my pending invoice list, and as the drivers complete invoices, there's a status column here. You can display completed invoices, invoices that are posted, and then anything pending means it has not been completed in the field yet or on the desktop. You have the ability to post invoices one by one, or you can post them in batch. And you can do that by selecting a route or leaving this blank. So I can select Route 4 for a specific day, and I can press Post to QuickBooks, and any invoice that is completed will post to QuickBooks. Or I can open an invoice. I can check it to make sure everything's correct and press the Post to QuickBooks icon. When I press Post to QuickBooks, you can have the ability to advance the route. Now this invoice displays as posted to QuickBooks. Posted invoices, once they actually go to QuickBooks, they fall off the open invoice list and go to the closed invoice list. Every time QuickBooks syncs with RouteStar, any pending customers, items, payments, etc. sync between QuickBooks and RouteStar and QuickBooks. You can also add a customer from RouteStar. It'll go into QuickBooks just by going to Customers and Customer Entry. You can also do this on the mobile if you give your people access in the field. So you fill out all this information. You can select sales reps, tax codes, etc. right from here, as well as customer type, terms, and press Create Customer. This will create a customer right in QuickBooks.